welcome to EXTRUDESIGN.com. So today's topic is surface plate. So what is a surface plate? Surface plate is a massive solid structure which is shown in here. It is used to test or inspect the surface flatness. Okay, so let's see the construction of surface plate. And the surface plates are made up of cast iron and heat treated for relieving internal stresses. And the top surface, as you can see, that this surface will have the true flatness. So true flatness in the sense it will have the high accurate machining so that it can be used as an instrument to check the surface flatness of a workpiece or whatever it is. And also you can see that there are some leveling screws at the bottom of the surface plate where we can adjust the height of surface plate. And also surface plate can be available in two other materials as well. So one is granite and as well as in glass. So the cast iron surface plates are the most common ones. Most of the surface plates are made up of cast iron, and the granite surface plates are best known for rustless surfaces. If the surface plate made up of cast iron, it may have rust, but when it is made from granite, so it will prevent rust. And also the glass surface plates. So if we made a surface plate from glass, so there are a few advantages like weight reduction and also avoiding corrosion, as you know, and also high accuracy and maintain for longer life if we made it from glass. This is the construction of surface plate, and so we have to take care few precautions while using surface plate. Ease of use of surface plate. First one, the flatness should be checked occasionally to make sure the surface plate is in perfect condition or not. Okay, check flatness periodically. And surface plate should be cleaned before using to avoid the dust and other particles. Clean the top surface before use. And the third one is try to use all the surface available on the surface plate instead of one particular portion to make it wear uniformly over the time. So otherwise it will not be uniform over time. Okay, so use So use all the surface on the surface plate over time for uniform wear. Okay, so these are the different precautions that we need to take care while using surface plate. And if you'd like to read the full article about surface plate, we have mentioned a link in the description and you can follow it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you will get notified. And thanks for watching.